Right? I'm good, thank you. Exaucé. Yeah. What's your name? Daniel. Nice to meet you.
What, celery cress, yeah?
You got celery cress?
Pardon?
Celery cress?
Yeah. What do you want? Pass your celery.
I can put coriander with it. You can put parsley in there.
Coriander as well, fresh big cap. Fresh big cap.
You've got all good stuff in it.
Excuse me.
Yeah, you got
I ordered for me and you. What is the same day?
Wow!
The same packet. What is the same day?
I want that flash.
Keep it with William, you would pick up what was the last thing that was on the plate and then pick up?
Oil.
Okay. Right, the first step we go normal.
Oil.
Okay. Right, the first step we go normal, yeah? What was the last thing that was on the plate and then pick up?
Oil.
Okay. Right, the first step we go normal, yeah?
Burst.
Emergency. Come.
Pass me her body, please. Oil. And you want to go?
Where's the...
Yeah, we can put it right now.
Same energy. Everybody, same time. We go.
Is some wiping?
Wiping. Yeah. Let's go wiping, bro. What are you doing?
Don't worry, I'll finish what you're doing.
When you see, yeah, look at what's on top. When you see the press. When you see the press. Just what this OP, can you open it up in please? Oh, come on, leave out already. You want it, yeah? Yeah, take that leaf out, please. This is my purse. Thank you. Listen to what? Sorry. Oil here, look. Oil. Miss this oil. Yeah, something. Get rid of the meat and then I'll...
There's nothing that hold it. Bring a couple of them, yeah?
Yeah.
And then we need to go in. Either you go clean hands, open this, take out 20 plates, stuck in here already. 20 plates.
Ready?
As soon as it's done,
Yeah.
I'm just gonna grab the coffee down, guys.
Yeah.
So we go over another 20?
Next table all normal.
Okay. Make sure you get the vegetarian coming.
Yeah, it's ready in the oven. Oh, it's nice. Why is my phone all cloudy now? Oil. Oil.
Did you notice or no?
Alright, good to go, yeah? Sorry. Guys, second table.
Micros.
Huh?
Micros. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Don't lose time.
Okay, can they copy the house? Hold on.
Macros, one side.
Micros and go.
Right, take your hands.
Remember the vegetarian.
You're
6
right, yeah?
Micros on stuff.
Veggie.
No, it's fine. Thank you.
It's not done. No possible. I leave you the pescatarians down there, too.
Wait, I'll just take one extra to the other table. On the next one, yeah? I'll get some 9 plates with
Okay, sauce for pescatarian?
Yes. That's right.
Do you know what that's
No, it just come up the hands on that side.
We need to flash this straight after this piece. So it's like,
You got veg? I need the veg on.
I've got the veg on, croquette going on after, you got the oil. Boom.
Veg.
Where's the oven? I'm just
I
flashing
need the
this.
veg. Put it, yeah. When I go,
There's 8 plates plus 1 veggie, yeah?
and you need that straight off.
Yeah, this is the one that you're making, yeah?
See, this one straight off. This one first.
2, 4, 6. You need a plate there?
Yeah, I need one.
One. Carry on with the rest? Let's go. Let's put one coriander on here. Let's start rocking out. I'm gonna finish this. I need another tray of beef. Give me the carrots, Oaks, when you're ready.
The price is there. Oh, I see it.
That's fine. You know, it's 6 on this table, one. It's actually 6. Well, there's one over there. And then
You've got 6.
It's missing 2 people on the table of 10. So it's
Okay.
8. We've got one there, 7. So 6 and 1 bed.
Cheers.
Okay, can I get the veggie, please?
Yeah, veg is coming. You didn't need these two.
No, so she's only
I need one.
less people on the table now.
What, they made it around or?
Okay, I'll take that.
Yeah, wait for a second.
With the sauce.
You have to do the magic combo one.
Oh, hot sauce, yeah.
More in
We'll wait for the...
In the cooler, yeah?
wait for the veg.
Last.
The middle one.
Yes.
So you need another 20 plates now, yeah?
Yeah.
Actually, you know what you guys do?
Oh no, we're done.
That's gonna be 40, yeah? You need to 10.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Don't put it down.
Put it on, we put a thing on, we send. You reload there. I'll go with this.
Don't put it down like this.
Okay, that's table 3 gone. Table 4 is all set.
Go with the oil, and you can send it. Oil and send. I put you on the white and on the other side, yeah?
This one, okay, yeah?
Yeah, Sabo.
Yep, that's the
Oh, no, she's not here.
I got 2 out already, yeah? I got 2 out already, and I got the carrots out already.
You might want to crack it out 2 more veg.
You guys good, yeah?
Not being here.
Chef, okay to break up?
Yeah.
You got 2 here. Guys, once the oil's on, are we going? Let's go.
Yeah, ready? Come on.
Here we go.
2, 4, 6, 8.
The veg, I'll take it. 9 6 ones.
That makes your table of 10. That makes your table of 10.
Yeah, all these ready.
That makes your table of 10.
Can I get 3 veggies, 2 vegans and 1 no meat, yeah?
Yeah.
Get me the goods.
So is this the last table, yeah?
This is the last table,
Want 3
yeah.
veg?
Yeah, 3
3
veg.
veg, yeah.
That'll be
4.
7 normal. So we've done 1 already. We've done 1. So it's now 3. So 4
Let me
total.
just sort it out.
Right. You're here, yeah?
Dummy?
You're here, you know the oil. Clean now, guys. There's 1 more plate here. You're gonna lay it out. I'm breaking up.